It has taken over 9 years and 3 billion miles to get this image of Pluto. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft took the image early on July 14th, when the spacecraft was around 48,000 miles from the surface and an hour and a half away from its closest approach to the dwarf planet. It was mankind's first ever encounter with this previously unexplored world. The close-up image of a region near Pluto's equator reveals a big surprise, a range of mountains rising as high as 11,000 feet that NASA scientists say are probably composed of water ice and formed no more than 100 million years ago. They believe that the mountains may still be in the process of building. On images of Pluto's largest moon, Charon, the scientists made another striking discovery. They believe the icy body may have cliffs and troughs, as well as a deep canyon. New Horizons was traveling autonomously at more than 30,000 miles per hour when it snapped the images so that it could focus on gathering information about Pluto rather than communicating with controllers on Earth. For hours, nobody knew how it was faring. Then at around 9 p.m. Eastern, New Horizons reconnected with NASA scientists as planned and started sending back data from the Pluto system. For many NASA scientists, that was the moment they had been waiting for years.
We're in lock with telemetry with the spacecraft.
Pluto holds, I think, a special place in everyone's memory as a really tiny object that we've called a planet in the past. We now know much more about it.
In the weeks and days of New Horizons' final approach to Pluto, images taken by the spacecraft brought the dwarf planet into sharper focus and revealed new characteristics of Pluto. For instance, scientists found a bright feature in the shape of a heart that they say shows differences between the left and right side of the dwarf planet. A surprising discovery came the day before the flyby, when NASA announced that Pluto is actually a bit larger than previously estimated, with a diameter of 1,473 miles. Scientists believe studying Pluto will give them more clues about the origins of our solar system. The 4.6 billion-year-old world is the giant of the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond the orbit of Neptune that holds hundreds of thousands of icy objects that are believed to be remnants of the early solar system. The Pluto flyby also means that humans have now sent probes to all the solar system's original 9 planets.
If you remember back during the days of the 70s when we had the Voyagers, they also were reconnaissance missions. And in fact, since they flew through the outer part of our solar system and they weren't able to go to Pluto, Pluto was indeed that last object that we really hadn't done a flyby. We really hadn't done the initial reconnaissance. So this mission does indeed complete the initial reconnaissance of our solar system.
NASA says it'll take 16 months for New Horizons to send back all the data it gathered during its flyby, a trove of information for scientists to delve into in the coming months and years to learn more about the secrets of Pluto and our outer solar system.